release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want her near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. Please release me, can't you see? You'd be a fool, yes, to cling on to me. To live our lives would bring us pain. So release me and let me love again. Let me love again. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I was Soul Fingers again with you with a very topical song, hopefully, called Release Me by Engelbert Humperdinck. Okay, a very classic old song for you there from way back when. Okay, now then, I'm in standard tuning with no capos, as you can see. Engelbert Humperdinck released this song in the key of F. Okay, and so if you want to play along with Engelbert's original recordings, put a capo on the first fret and play everything I'm about to show you with a capo on the first fret, and you should be in tune with him. Okay. The other thing to note is obviously right at the end of the song, the last verse of this song, he goes changes key. Okay, which I didn't do. So I thought everybody would probably just prefer to leave it where it was. Okay, so there we have it. So let's get to it for you. So I tried to incorporate the flavour of the intro, okay, which is obviously played on some piano sort of thing, an orchestration. Okay, so starting off with an E chord with a suspended fourth on it, pinky going on to the second fret of the third string. Okay, and I'm strumming from about the strings fall down to about 2. Okay, and then taking the pinky off and strumming the same strings again, fall down to about 2. So, okay, and you repeat that, so you do it twice. Okay, bit of a pause, then the second one, then you play the second fret of the 5th string. Okay, so far, bit of a pause, then we play the first fret of the 4th string, then the 4th fret of the 4th string, then you can either play a single 2nd fret on the 4th string or the E chord again. So you can do that, or you can do whatever you want. Again, I'm strumming down from about 5 down to 2. Okay, something like that. So far we've got this. Okay, and then to finish it off, we keep in the E chord, we hit the 2nd on the 5th again, and then we do a double pluck or strum on the 3rd string and the 2nd string together. So it's okay, 2nd on the 5th, those then 3rd and 2nd strings together. Then we change to a B7, and hit the 2nd on the 5th again, and then strum down from about 3 or 4 downwards. Okay, so you've got the last bit is that sort of thing. Okay, so the whole intro is this. Then we go into the song proper, okay? E, so start off on an E chord. Please release me. Now, this is an E diminished, okay? And it's optional, but I'm going to show it to you. That's why I played the demo, okay? It fits, because the actual melody is... So that 2nd note on the song is actually B flat, which is obviously not in the straightforward E chord, whereas it is in the E diminished. Okay, so E diminished, 2nd on the 4th, 1st finger. 2nd on the 2nd string with my 2nd finger, the B string. 3rd finger is playing the 3rd fret of the G string, the 3rd string, and pinky is playing the 3rd fret of the top E string. Just those 4 strings, 4, 3, 2, 1, yeah? So we've got this so far. Please release me to an E 7th. Okay, that's an E chord with the open 4th string. The D string is open, so you remove your 3rd finger from the chord. Just the 2 fingers, 2nd on the 5th, 1st on the 3rd. Okay, so that's from the beginning. Please release me, let me A chord. 4 B 7th. I don't love you any. Back to the E. Back to the B 7th. Okay, so let's just go through that whole thing again. E, please. E diminished, E 7th, release me, let me A go. B 7, for I don't love you any more. B 7, E again, to waste, E diminished, E 7th, lives would be a sin. Back to E, release me, B 7, and let me love her. Back to E, back to B 7. Next verse, exactly the same to play as the first one we've just done, with different words. Okay, so let's just do the intro and the first verse again, and then we'll go through the 2nd verse, okay, so, as a carry on. So, here we go. Please release me, let me go. For I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. Right, B 7th, 2nd verse. I have found a new love, dear, and I will always want you near. Her lips are warm while yours are cold. Release me, my darling, let me go. Right, to the end, last verse now. Please release me, can't you see? be a fool to cling to you, to live our lives would bring us pain. So release me, B7 stop and let me lover, back to E again, let me A love, let me E love. Okay, he's back in singers, he's sing that bit. Okay, so that the ending of that song, very simple. When you get to that last line of the song, so release me, sorry, release me, B7 stop and let me lover, back to E again. Let me A love, let me E love. And there you have it, boys and girls. Okay, now there is a little thing I have to show you. Just in case you don't like it or you don't want to play it, the diminished, you can leave out the diminished if you so wish to do so, and just play it without the diminished. Okay, so just as an option, you could just go please, because not on song I will be go please release me, let me go. If you don't want to play the diminished or you don't like the sound of it, just ignore it and go please release me, let me go, for I don't love you anymore. To waste our lives would be a sin. Release me and let me love again. See, you get the idea? You just miss out the diminished altogether. Okay, so the option's up there for you if you don't want it or you don't like it. Just miss out the diminished and go from E, please release, E7, release me, let me, A. So going, please release me, just miss out the diminished. Okay, there we are, boys and girls, an easier way to play it if you so wish. Thanks a lot for watching and listening, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.